Hello everyone. Now we are going to introduce Fiji fan palm tree. Actually, it's an ornamental plant, scientifically known as Picardia pacifica. Fiji fan palm. The name is really unique. Named for its geographic origins and the traditional practical uses of its large, circular, fan-shaped fronds. Historically, the massive leaves were used as actual fans by tribal chiefs in Fiji. Scientifically, genus Picardia, named in honor of William Thomas Picard, and the species Pacifica, derived from the Latin for the Pacific Ocean, referring to its Pacific island heritage.